Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today let's see how to solve this really beautiful problem. Leetcode 876, you can uh, log into your Leetcode right now and solve this problem with me. This is beautiful, actually. This problem is beautiful, and let me explain why. If this is an array, you can easily access the middle element. It's basically length by 2, and you have the index. Get the index, that's the middle element. There's the advantage of array over linked list because you can access the element easily wherever they are. But in linked list, it's tricky because you have to traverse to the entire list to get the whole list, and you have to know when you have reached the middle, and you have to return the middle element. In this case, 3 is middle. In this case, 4. Could be 3, but they're asking for 4. Okay. So how can you solve this problem? Hmm. I'll give you a real life scenario. There is a person A who runs at 12 kilometer per hour. There's a person B who runs at 6 kilometer per hour. And now there's a marathon, which is, let's say, 12 kilometers. Okay. Who's going to win the race, guys? It's A, definitely. A wins the race. But the real question is, when A wins the race, is B. Yeah, correct. B is going to be exactly in the middle. That is the intuition behind solving this problem. It is really beautiful, and we can implement it right away by saying just node A, as we planned, he's at the starting point, head of the node is the starting point, and there's node B, also the starting point. Okay, now that we have joined these two guys in the competition of the marathon, okay, now that we have the marathon and the play athletes are ready, now we're gonna start the race. Okay, we're gonna start the race by using a while loop because while they didn't reach the end, they're gonna keep running. So B is gonna run to the next node, and A is gonna run twice as fast as B. Correct, guys? There's the whole thing behind this. Okay, while they didn't reach the end, we can just say A didn't reach the end because it's the faster one. Obviously, he's gonna be the first one to reach it. While A didn't reach the end, he's just gonna keep running, and when he reaches the end, they're gonna break out of the loop, and the answer is gonna be B because you know that B is exactly in the middle. And from the middle, they expect us to return the list node, so we're just going to return B. That's it. That's the problem. Yeah, let's figure this out. So when will we know that they didn't reach the end? They let's see at 5 right now. Okay, this 5. You see, the last element reference to the next node is going to be null. Correct. So the first case would be the next element should not be null. That's how when you continue running, which means a dot next should not be null. Okay. So now there is another case we all forget. This is the ideal case or the most obvious case, but there is another case. As A runs twice as fast, there is a chance A could jump to null himself. That also means that he has reached the end. He has passed the end actually. Let me explain here. And A goes from 1 to 3, 3 to 5, and reaches the end. And now slow goes here and here, and slow is in the middle, right? And if you consider this example, A goes from 1 to 3 while B goes to 2. A goes to 5 while B goes to 3, and A goes to null. He has to jump. He has to jump. If he doesn't jump, he doesn't reach the end. He jumped here and here, and he is at the null right now, and B goes here, and it also means that he has ended the race. I mean, he's past the finishing point, which also means it's the end. So A himself should not be null, which means he has reached the end himself. Okay, these are the two cases that we have to consider, and that's it. You can run this program. Yeah, that's it. I didn't it was a compilation error. I just made a really silly mistake. B goes to the next node, which is b dot next. You have to give it b dot next, and a goes to the next dot next, which means a dot next dot next. I didn't mention that before. So that's it. That's how you solve this problem. It's really beautiful. You can submit this, and it's done. Hopefully you learned something new today, and if you like the way I explain this problem, you can consider liking this video. Subscribe to me for more, and I'll see you next time.